I never thought I'd share this, but this is my hair after months of stress, glue buildup, and no time for self-care. I tried oils, conditioners, warm water, detangling sprays, but nothing worked. Every time I combed, my hair broke off. Then I found something that felt like a miracle in a bottle, takedown remover. I applied it directly onto the tangled sections, massaged it in, waited just 10 to 15 minutes, and something amazing happened. My comb finally slid through. Takedown removers saved me hours, stress, and tears. I didn't need to cut anything off. My natural hair is intact and thriving. Whether you're dealing with glue, braids, dreadlocks, or extreme tangles, this is the product you need. Don't suffer in silence. Don't damage your hair. Just take it down. Available now at takedownproducts.com. Your hair's rescue starts here.